Hello dear students, welcome to Online English School. Today we will talk about space. We will listen to the story and then we will do some exercises. Let's revise the previous lesson. Do you remember order of the planets? Which planet comes first? It's Mercury. What about planet number 2? It's Venus. What's next? This is our home. It's Earth. Mars. What comes after Mars? Jupiter. Which planet is next? Saturn. After Saturn we have Uranus or Uranus. And the last planet is Neptune. Now we will have a quiz. You need to answer the following questions. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? It's Mercury. Let's go to the next question. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? It's Venus, because it's close to the Sun. What is the brightest planet in the night sky? It's also Venus. What planet is nicknamed the Red Planet? Of course, it's Mars. Did you know that in the past there were 9 planets in the solar system? But one of the planets were too small, and now we call it a dwarf planet. Do you know the name of this planet? It's Pluto. Now, Pluto is a dwarf planet. Let's listen to the story about space.
Listen to the story. Arrange the events presented in the pictures in the correct order from the earliest, number 1, to the latest, number 6. What do you think happened next?
Adam loved to look at the sky. He often tried to spot a shooting star. He wanted to catch one of them and keep it under his pillow to make his dreams come true. One day, the long-awaited moment came. Adam saw a luminous point moving in the sky. He was convinced that it was a meteorite. After a while, however, he recognized the shape of a rocket and the contours of aliens sitting in it. He knew what to do. He grabbed his phone immediately and informed all his friends about his discovery. They came to see him straight away. Looking at the sky atlas, the friends nervously discussed all possible ways of fighting this alien attack. Suddenly, they noticed small marks made by Adam on the map in order to indicate the places which were most likely to be black holes. This could be the solution. If a rocket falls into a hole like this, it will surely disappear for a long time. A group of friends grabbed some flares and launched them into the black holes. Curious aliens followed the exciting fireworks and disappeared. The planet was saved.
Let's organize these pictures in the right order. The first picture is where the boy is looking at the sky. What happened next? He saw an alien in the sky, flying on a rocket. Then he immediately called his friends. They looked at the map. Then they sent some flares to the sky. And then alien disappeared in the sky and our home Earth was saved. Well done!
Read and choose true or false. Read and choose true or false.
I am an astronaut and I work on a space station. I'm here 5 months every year. I work 12 hours every day from Monday to Friday. I often go outside and walk in space. I don't work at the weekend. I eat 3 meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We eat fruit and vegetables in cans. Sometimes food is dry, so we put water in it. Astronauts have to do a lot of exercise. I do exercise for 2 hours every day. I like running. After work, I usually read or listen to music. Some astronauts watch films. I don't usually watch films. I like looking out the window and watching the stars. I sleep at night. I don't sleep very well. It's difficult to sleep on the station. I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning, but I never have a shower. There aren't any showers on the space station. Then I start work again. I'm an astronaut because I love space and I love learning about science. It's an exciting job too. Now we will answer the questions. The astronaut works on the space station for 12 months every year. True or false? It's false because it's 5 months. He doesn't work on Saturday and Sunday. It's true. He always eats dry food. It's false. Sometimes they add water. He does exercise every day. It's true. He doesn't usually watch films. He likes watching the stars. That's true. He always sleeps well. He has a shower at 7 o'clock in the morning. He said, I never have a shower. That's false. Now we will practice asking the questions.
Look at the picture of the astronaut and make the questions.
Where do you work? Or what do you work? It's where do you work? What do you see? Or when do you see? The answer is what do you see? Who do you eat? Or how do you eat? Of course, how do you eat? Does you do any exercise or do you do any exercise? It's do you do any exercise? Why do you do in the evening or what do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening? When do you sleep or who do you sleep? It's when do you sleep? Are you an astronaut or why are you an astronaut? It's why are you an astronaut? Well done.
Read and choose. Read and choose.
He is an astronaut. And he works on a space station. He's there for 5 months every year. He works 12 hours every day from Monday to Friday. He often goes outside and walks in space. He doesn't work at the weekend. He eats 3 meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They eat fruit and vegetables in cans. Sometimes the food is dry, so they put water in it. This is the end of lesson number 2. Thank you for your attention and see you next lesson. Bye bye!